center.
Oh, like we need to like actually like add it to it.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to put the 2000 something, you can do it.
It's at 25,000.
25,000. Oh my god. Okay, never mind.
Yeah, no. They can't afford that shit right
We're
now.
not even halfway.
But we need $10,000 first. So let's do that. Let me get money. Oh my god, my crab pots are taking forever. But Sebastian's here and I have nothing for him. Fashion gifts are due.
Totally not on our arcane phase. No, no, no. Look at this. Look at this little one. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one is Jinx.
Oh, Maru is his half sister?
Little Vi. No, because honestly, fucking same. The bush is triggering the Pokemon mind. Like all of a sudden, like a random ass fucking Pokemon is gonna jump out and fight you. Okay, the chickens are so happy now.
Thank god I reminded you.
I haven't given them food in like
Weeks.
weeks. That's because of my fucking ADHD brain and I procrastinate and then I get distracted and then I procrastinate that and then I procrastinate everything and then I get distracted again. And then I just forget that this was the thing that I ever needed to do in the first place. And then Zen reminds me and I'm like, oh yeah, let me do that right now. And then I get distracted again and then it goes in a fucking loop. Poor chickens, they're being starved.
No, literally,
I
he's
feel
starving them.
so
He put them on the skinny girl diet.
bad. No, they're fine now.
They're all some picked up.
They're trying to sleep. They're so cute. I love them. They're my little babies.
I don't know about that.
No, they
I
are.
hope that you're not your babies.
Oh my fucking god. Okay. Nice.
Oh wait, that's for your wood, right?
Oh, that's true. I thought that was you.
No.
Where was it?
I don't know. I heard it.
Also, I'm so excited to do my karaoke streams now.
Yes, do it.
But I'm still looking for songs to add to my karaoke list.
Um, your favorite, your favorite Nicki song.
Anaconda?
Yeah, I've done that at karaoke. Not on stream, but
Oh, that would sound so fucking bad though.
that's half the
That would
fun.
sound so fucking bad, but it's fun.
Yeah,
Okay, I can consider adding it though. I will consider it.
make it sound good.
Like I'm always down for suggestions.
If
And if I
you
don't know
drink
the
before,
song, I'll learn it.
if you drink before, it's gonna sound great.
Yeah, no, 100%. It might be needed.
What's your favorite Pokemon video game song?
Mine?
Yeah, mine is the Team Galactic theme.
Okay, I'll be so real. I never played any like Pokemon games because Well, I did play them, but not enough to like remember like songs.
You're crazy for that. Okay.
No, because I didn't have the thing for it, right?
I didn't even think for
So
it.
I only played it when like one of my cousins was visiting.
Oh, I see.
Like those are the only chances I got to play them. Like it was so fun. But my dad was like, "No, you already have a PlayStation." And I was like, oh, "But I don't have this though." And I was like, "No, use the one that you have." I was like, "Okay."
That's fair. Yeah, we were a Nintendo family. We didn't get. I think my dad got a PS4 for himself, and we would play some things on them. But like that was like when I was older.
Wait, have you played Dragon Age? You
Nope.
haven't, right?
Oh my god, we got jam.
You fucking have to. I like Vulpix, the Arctic one.
Oh, I've heard that one. Should I try making ancient fruit jelly?
Yes.
Let's see what it does.
Let's make some ancient fruit jelly.
Oh shit. Don't forget, by the way. Oh wait, you're already in bed.